All right, so as the coronavirus infections continue to surge across India, a state of complete lockdown has been extended to about 30 states and union territories. 548 out of India's 720 districts are now officially under lockdown. Now, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that he will yet again be addressing the nation at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. It will be very interesting to watch out for as to what the Prime Minister will speak later this evening. However, it is expected that the Prime Minister will touch upon the quote-unquote vital aspects of the COVID-19 menace. A lot of people at this point of time are looking at the Prime Minister to announce some kind of a fiscal stimulus package. The 3 states, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha, have only announced partial restrictions in their states. Now, these 3 states combined have locked 58 districts between them and have so far reported about 19 coronavirus infections. The state of Mizoram and Sikkim are yet to announce any lockdown measures. Punjab has imposed a statewide curfew to implement the lockdown. The central government has asked states to take legal action against anyone who's found violating the lockdown orders. Accordingly, 255 people were arrested in Kolkata. In Noida, about 96 FIRs were registered and almost about 2,000 cars were fined for violating Section 144. In the last 24 hours, India has reported 96 COVID-19 cases, taking the total tally of infections up to 492. Now, India's 9 fatalities have come essentially from Bihar, Delhi, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Punjab and West Bengal. Now, the major fear right now is that of community transmission. Now, India's top medical body still continues to insist that there is no community transmission at this point of time, and by using these statistical models, it predicts that it will take another 20 days for community infections to become visible. From midnight later this evening today, all domestic passenger flights in India will be grounded. Only cargo planes will be allowed to operate now. The central government has already halted interstate buses and trains, and most state governments have sealed their borders. The Home Ministry has also issued an order to shut down all 107 immigration checkpoints, which are spread across airports, seaports and land borders, and only essential services will be exempt from this shutdown. This effectively means that all points of entry into India are now sealed. Some people say that this is an action that should have been taken at least 15 days ago. Now, Delhi's AIIMS hospital has also shut down its outpatient services. The hospital had earlier suspended all non-essential medical procedures. And also India's Parliament, the lower chamber of the Parliament, Lok Sabha, has been adjourned indefinitely. And the Supreme Court has also ordered the states to identify prisoners who can be released to decongest jails. The World Health Organization's Mike Ryan has applauded India's lockdown measures and has said that the country has immense capacity to tackle the outbreak. Listen in.
India led the world in eradicating 2 silent killers, or eliminating them in the country. Smallpox, one of the greatest successes of mankind, a virus that killed more people on this planet than all the wars put together. India, through targeted public health intervention, ended that disease and gave a great gift to the world. India also eliminated polio, another silent killer, and did a tremendous job on surveillance and finding cases and vaccinating and doing all the things that need to be done. So India has tremendous capacities